Welcome to OBSBOT Virtual Production Studio. Here we see our Tail 2. Right now that's being hooked up using 3D protocol. That's being hooked up directly to Unreal Engine. And you'll see over here, it's generating a virtual environment. What's amazing about the virtual environment here is you can actually add customized animations into it. So you can see here that if I go like this, the camera below will go down. If I go like this, a motorcycle happens to come up. Now these animations can be customized in Unreal to do these gestures can be customized to do other animations as well. As you can see, the tracking device as well will keep tracking me in the virtual environment as well as I walk around. That tracking data is being sent directly to Unreal from the camera to being able to create this virtual environment.
Can you maybe show me what's happening over here a little bit, or any extra information about this section here?
So over here, you'll see that the Tail 2 is actually PoE. It is connected through an Ethernet cable directly into this router, which is being brought directly to the Unreal software, which is what is going to be creating the virtual environment. So that is how the camera is communicating directly with Unreal.
Interesting. Wow, very cool. Thank you for the demonstration. I appreciate it.
Of course, no problem.